In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your project visibility on Behance to ensure that your work is only seen by those you choose. While Behance doesn't have a feature to make your entire portfolio private, it does provide flexible options for controlling the visibility of individual projects. Let's explore how you can utilize these options to maintain privacy and control over your creative work. First, let's talk about making a project completely private. To do this, begin by navigating to the project you wish to modify. Once you're on the project page, look for the Edit button and click it to access the editing mode. In this mode, you'll find a section labeled Settings. Within this section, locate the Behance Visibility drop-down menu. Here, you want to select the option that reads Private. Doing so will hide your project from all users except yourself, ensuring that only you can view it. This is a great option if you are still working on a project or want to keep it under wraps indefinitely. Next, if you want to share your project with just a few people, consider using the Password Protected feature. Once again, start by going to the project and clicking Edit. In the Settings section, where you previously found the Behance Visibility dropdown, select Password Protected this time. You'll be prompted to set a password for the project. Choose a strong yet memorable password and share it only with the individuals you wish to grant access. With this option, only those who have the password will be able to view your project, providing you with both privacy and selective sharing capabilities. Another method to control who sees your work is by making it a link-only project. In the same spot, under Behance Visibility, choose the link-only option. This setting ensures that your project will not show up in any search results or be visible on your main portfolio page. Instead, it can only be accessed by people who have the direct link to the project. This is particularly useful if you want to share your work in a controlled manner, such as sending it to a potential client or collaborator. These visibility settings give you a range of options to maintain control over who sees your work on Behance while still allowing for flexible sharing possibilities. Whether you wish to keep your projects completely private, share them selectively via password protection, or make them accessible through a direct link, Behance's features ensure your projects are seen by the right audience on your terms. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.